Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with HCM Property Management. I'm a portfolio manager and I oversee multifamily and single family rentals here in Los Angeles. I made this video today because I want to talk about budgeting for 2026. I think it's so important that property management companies and other property managers make a budget. They should know how much money they're expecting to collect, how much money they're expecting to spend. What's the good price for the water bill? What's a good price when a unit turns over? And so building a budget is going to help you stay on track. I check my budgets twice a week. So we're going to make sure that any average or any rent collected is meeting what we need so that the building is performing according to plan and that the property owner doesn't have to put more into their investment property. The real foundation to a good budget is using a good property management software, because that's a place that you're going to be able to track it, whether it be from your computer or your phone. This is a way that you're going to be able to update it and check it weekly. I think budgeting is so important to checking profitability, expecting returns, and communicating with property owners how much they should expect when their distribution comes monthly. If you want to learn about HCM's property management, or you want to discuss more of my template for property management, I wrote an article, but I'd also love to schedule a demo if you want to learn more. Again, my name is Matthew. I'm with HCM Property Management, and I hope to hear from you soon.